Good day, distinguished colleagues. I am Akini Yusrat Olabisi, a veterinary major student from the Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta. I am a member of the International Veterinary Student Association Nigeria FUNAAB chapter. In commemoration of this year's Animal Welfare Week, IVSA FUNAAB is staging a video on general talks about animal welfare, and I will be doing the definition of animal welfare. What is animal welfare? Animal welfare refers to the state of the animal, its physiology, ability to perform species-typical behavior, and the animal's emotional state. According to Donald Brown, an English biologist and an animal welfare scientist, he refers the term animal welfare to the state of an animal in relation to its environment. According to OIE, World Organization for Animal Health, animal welfare refers to the physical and mental state of an animal in relation to the condition in which it lives and dies.
Hi everyone, I'm Mujala Olua from IVSA FUNAAB, and I'm talking about the 5 basic freedom of animals. I know most of us have heard it, but they are actually internationally accepted standards that was initially developed by Britain from animal welfare. One is freedom from hunger and thirst, basically meaning every animal out there has the right to be fed, to eat, to drink water, just like any other human out there. I also have freedom from discomfort, freedom from pain, injury, and diseases, freedom to express their natural behavior, and also freedom from fear and distress. These are the 5 basic freedom of animals. Thank you. See ya.
Animal abuse, also known as animal cruelty, is the criminal act of inflicting physical pain, suffering, or death on an animal, usually a tamed one, beyond the necessity for normal discipline.
Hi guys, my name is Tolulope Adeye from Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, FUNAAB, and I'll be talking about what a good animal welfare requires. A good animal welfare requires prevention of diseases and veterinary treatment, humane handling, humane slaughter, appropriate shelter, and management nutrition. Every animal deserves to live a good life and enjoy the benefits of 5 domains, which are nutrition, health, environment, behavior, and mental state. Always remember that animal welfare is education to humanity. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Anna Paida, a DVMT student of the Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta. So I'll be talking to you about the organizations that work for animal welfare. And we expect that since we want animals to be fine, since we want animals to be cared for, since we want better life for our animals, we expect that there should be a system that should keep the animal welfare, the animal care, to keep the animals maltreated. We expect that there should be a check system for that. So these organizations help to do that. So we have a lot of them in Nigeria, and then I would love to list some for us. So we have Animal Protection Organization of Nigeria, we have Wale, Egbeliki and Co. We have the Humane Global Network, we have Cow Dung Nigeria Limited, we have Animal Care and Use in Research, Education and Testing. We have Animal Science Association of Nigeria. We have African Voice for Animal Initiative. We have All About Animal Survival. We have Animal Welfare Education Collaboration. We have Canine Welfare. We have Equine Foundation. We have Nigerian Animal Welfare Foundation. We have the Vegetarian Education Network. We have Society for Welfare of Animal Protection. So these organizations I just listed are the check system put in place by the government to make sure that to endeavor that our animals are in the best care possible, to make sure that these people, we as individuals, ensure that we give our animals the best care that we could give our kids. So ensure that we won't maltreat those animals, we won't do something bad to them. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, my name is Akela Mary Oluwatimileni. I'm a member of IVSA FUNAAB. I would love to talk about who is obligated to promote animal welfare. Everybody is expected to do that. Every one of us, involving the veterinarians, the animal specialists, the animal scientists, and every other person is expected to uphold animal welfare. Wherever we are supposed to ensure that animals are well taken care of around us. They are not to be treated badly, they're not to be beaten or treated harshly. Animals are expected to be taken care of really well to make sure that they are not hungry, they are given good food, they are treated well, and they are given room to exhibit their normal behavior. They are not to be caged in a way that they will not exhibit their normal behaviors. Animals are to be treated well,